PT reading parts of speech. Hi everyone, my name is Drashti Ved and I am a PT trainer and reading expert here at English Wise. In this video, I am going to show you how to identify what part of speech is missing in your blanks. And specifically, we are going to focus on these four parts of speech, which is noun, verb, adjective and adverb. Because in 70% of the cases in your PTE blanks, these are the four things that will be missing in the blank and will be asked to fill from the option. So now how to understand that what is grammatically needed in a blank. Suppose if you have this blank over here, you need to first find out what is grammatically needed in this blank. Whether you need a noun, verb, adjective or an adverb. Suppose say if you need a noun, then you can only look for nouns in the options and you can eliminate verbs, adjectives and adverbs. So using this method will help you to eliminate the wrong options and get to the final option quicker. So now how to find out what part of speech is to be used? So we need to see what is grammatically needed in this blank, and the formula to do this is that we read the sentence without the blank. So when you read the sentence without a blank, basically you will be keeping your hand over here on the blank and you will read the rest part of the sentence. Now when you will do this, there will be two outcomes in your blanks. So the first thing is that your blank will sound incomplete or it will not make sense to you. I have an example over here. He is a dash to me. Now let us use this formula that we read the sentence without the blank and try to figure this out. So I keep my hand here and I read the rest part of the sentence. He is a to me. Does this make sense? No. So he is what to me? He is a friend to me. He is an enemy to me. So this sentence sounds incomplete without the blank. So in such a case, you are either missing a noun or you are missing a verb in a sentence. So he is a friend to me or he is an enemy to me. So in that case, you are missing the noun over here. Any sentence will not be complete without the noun or the verb in it. That is why if you find the sentence to be incomplete, you either need a noun or a verb. On the other hand, if the sentence sounds complete or it does make sense. So we have an example over here. He is a dash friend to me. Now we will use this technique again and we will hide the blank and we will read the rest part of the sentence. He is a friend to me. This makes sense. This is a complete sentence. So in such a case, you are either missing an adjective or you are missing an adverb. Okay. Now using this technique, you will be able to narrow down your options and you will be able to eliminate the parts of speech which are not required for that particular blank. This can help you to move quicker through your time management and solve the blank correctly and accurately within the span of 2 to 2.5 minutes. For more such tricks and tips about PTE reading, stay tuned to other videos on this channel. And if you have any doubts in PTE reading or you want me to make a video on any other topic, please put them in the comment section below. And my name is Drashti Ved and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.